Hi everyone, thank you for showing interest in our webinar, Your Genes and Nutrition, that is coming up Thursday the 5th and 12th of November at 8:30 p.m.
Denise has had over 15 years experience as a molecular geneticist. She's also a qualified nutritionist. For my part, I've been an integrative medical practitioner for over 30 years, and we often do co-consults, and this is the basis of why we're doing this webinar together today. Fortunately, in recent years, there's been a rapid increase in the knowledge of the interaction between nutrition and genes and how it can help our health. And with this better knowledge, we are better able to diagnose, better treat, and lead to better outcomes. We now have evidence that all these interactions between nutrition and genes can influence our brain function, e.g. can affect our capacity for thinking, memory, mood, and well-being. It also impacts on common medical conditions such as blood pressure, diabetes, heart conditions, and weight. I will be giving a general overview and big picture, as well as underlying concepts and how they connect with various conditions, and the approach to take for diagnosis and the approach to take for treatment. The second session will be followed up by Denise.
So the second part of this webinar will be run on the 12th of November, and I'll be going into a little bit more detail about some of the concepts that Dr. Rabinov will be talking about, so specifically methylation, detoxification, oxidative stress and inflammation. And to do this, I'm actually going to use a case study to try to make this a more user-friendly approach and give you the ability to understand, so looking at the results and how sort of genetics interact with our nutrition and particular health outcomes. But in saying that, we won't be talking about specifically blood pressure or cardiovascular disease. We'll actually be more talking about these underlying processes like I just mentioned, and these relate to a number of health outcomes, and anyone that wants to know specifics about their particular case should work with their health practitioner. If you would like to know more about this webinar or register for it, please click on the button below.